So today I'm here as to come for inspection regarding the construction of this Awmusiang shopping complex. So this is not the first time. I have been here since from the beginning of the construction. So just to make sure that the work is progressing. So at the same time that just in the past few days I heard from the association of the shopkeeper from the the shopper of from the district council who are using this council market. So I have heard that there are concerns from them that in the past when they dismantled this market there was more than 600 numbers of stalls, but now as we can see that after the completion of this market there will be 320 stalls altogether. So they have flagged the concern, and then I have briefed them, and I have called the two major stakeholders here, the district council and the association. So and then I have told them that there is no major change in the design of this complex. This is since from the very beginning the original design, so we are just following that up. So after, and also at the same time I have requested them that from now onward that both the parties should sit and find an amicable solution, and we don't want to see that after the completion that this building will stay vacant again. So I have urged both the parties, and the EM from the district council in charge market also is here. So he also from his end has assured them that we'll try from the council also, they will try their best, and there is a possibility of extension also here, another 2-story from their side also. They have assured that they will try to seek for funds to extend and accommodate as many as possible.